Hey, what's up guys? In this video of the Techie Swifty, I will show you that how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A22 or how you can open the recovery mode of the Galaxy A22. For this method, first of all you will need to plug in your Type-C port with your phone and USB to your laptop or desktop, which should be power on. Now here you can see, suppose that if you forgot your password or PIN, then you cannot enter into your phone. Even if you added the fingerprint sensor, but when you will restart your phone, it will ask for the PIN or the password for the first time after restart instead of the fingerprint. So in this method, we will use power key and the volume keys. So when you see this phone asking for the password, just press the power key and the volume down key and keep holding them until you get the power menu. Now here select the power off option, but it will again ask for the PIN. Here you again need to press power key and the volume down key and keep holding them. Your phone will restart and you will see these logos. But when you see the black screen, just change your finger from the volume down to volume up and keep holding the power key. Keep holding power key and the volume up key until you enter into the recovery mode. And finally, we are here in the recovery mode. You can only navigate here with the volume keys. Just press the volume down key to scroll down, and here you will see the option of wipe data / factory reset. We will need to press the power key to enter into this option, but before that, read this warning also that after the factory reset, phone may ask for your Google account and password with which you log in into this phone last time. So now press the power key and enter into it, and here you will see the cancel and the factory data reset options. Scroll down, and now you will need to press the power key to start this process. This process will delete your entire data on this phone like photos, messages and videos, including your security settings like password, PIN and fingerprint. Actually, this option will reset your phone totally. I'm not going to select this option now because I have important data on this phone, but you can do it if you want. I hope that you found this video helpful. If yes, then please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in next video. Signing off.